Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on RNDR. As in my earlier video, I was showing you that RNDR has broken out a very big down channel on a weekly time frame chart, and this was my last video. And now if we take a look at the live chart, then you can see that after the breakout, and now on the daily time frame chart, you can see that it has recently broken down the support of an up channel. By the way, before that, it also formed this down channel on the daily time frame chart. And this was the big breakout that I was showing you on a 7 days time frame chart. And after that, it formed this down channel on the daily time frame chart and this up channel and broke down the support of up channel. And in today's video, we will analyze this move. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe. And then for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis. And first of all, let me to begin with my most recent trade signal for render that I shared on 9th of November 2023 with my members. And that was an expected harmonic bullish reversal garlic pattern that render was completing on a daily time frame chart with Bitcoin pair. And if I play this chart, then you can see that the price line dropped down and entered the buying zone here. Then we had a very, very massive reversal, and it was almost 111%, very massive pump. And if you would like to catch such other pumps before they happen, then you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing such trading signals for you on the daily basis. And I've already shared the links to join me there in the video's description you can find. Well, let me to take you to the live chart of render, and this is the daily time frame chart. And a few days ago, you can see it was moving inside this down channel on the daily time frame chart. By the way, after that, I will also show you this huge breakout from this big down channel that has happened on the 7 days time frame chart. Right now, we are watching this daily time frame, and here you can see that previously it broke out this down channel. The target for this breakout was here at the top of the channel. In those days, before even breaking out this channel, I've been telling you that it can hit this target at $2.95, and you can see that the price then rallied beyond that target up to $5.28. And during this move, you can see it also formed this very nice up channel as well. And finally, we have broken down the support of this up channel and testing this quite long-term support here. By the way, a long-term support is here at $2.95, but recently it has found a short-term support here at $3.57 as well. That was previously breaking as a resistance here, and now for the past several days, it is breaking as a support. In case of breaking it down, there can be another support, that is this red line, that is the 100 daily simple moving average. And the next price level support will be here at $2.95. That is, by the way, quite long-term support. If we take a look at the 7 days time frame chart, now I'm going to move to the 7 days. And here you can see that this $2.95 has been working as a very strong resistance here. Therefore, again, it can work as a strong and long-term support for the price line. Now, on this 7 days time frame chart, you can see that we have already broken out this quite big down channel as well. And if I place this measurement tool from this low to this high, then you can see that so far it has rallied more than 1,827%. And still, there is a big move due. That is the target for this breakout from this down channel. And that target is here at the top of the channel. That can be between $8 to $10. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.